Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Pro Stochastic indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Pro Stochastic indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 32 different strategies, with 8 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 428 indicators, with 176 winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the Pro Stochastic indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so really what we are looking for here are these colorations in the background where they go red and green. And so when we get a green coloration to the background here, then we are going to go long. That is going to be a sign for a long trade. When we get the red coloration, then we are going to go short, sign for a short trade there. And that is pretty much what we are looking for here, not much other than that. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this indicator. Alright, so finish that one out there. Good. Alright, so we picked up a short right here on this one. See that almost immediately though, price reverses, heads back up in the opposite direction of the trade, stopping us out. Then we get this one right here. It is again another short trade, and pretty much immediately price starts to fall to the downside there, and as it does, it gets us to take profit. Right as we would have taken profit on that trade, we would have picked up another signal for the downside short trade right here. Also getting in that one, price starts to tumble really quickly there and looks like it gets us to take profit. Let's just double check here. I didn't check. Yep, we stayed within our stop on that little pullback right there, and then price moved down, getting us to take profit on that one. So let's go ahead and move forward. All right, so we picked up another long right here on this one. You see that one gets us to take profit pretty easily. And then over here on this side, we picked up a short. Same deal, getting us to take profit. So not too bad so far. Continue on with it here. All right, so two more trades here, along there, and both of those got us to take profit. And then it looks like we pick up one more long right here, and that one is also going to get us to take profit. So, all right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through some of the testing. That way this video doesn't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to the Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you will get access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay's put together a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators for the MT platform. Our admins and regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts, where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, different time frames that they're entering and exiting and taking trades. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. The patrons really love being able to follow along with those trades themselves in their own accounts, earn a little bit of money, and easily pay off being a member, a patron member. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners and losers and their win rates. And you'll get access to the Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested with the same deal. Shows exactly which ones were winners and losers, and has links to actually go back and review those videos. And one last new thing that we've been doing is our admin Rob has been posting crypto and Forex scanner alerts. This is scanners that he uses personally himself, that he's developed the parameters for. These are the scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader, as he gets the scanner alerts on, like say, crypto and the Forex pairs, multiple different time frames with different parameters. He posts those daily for all the patrons to see, multiple scanner signals every single day. And it's really great opportunity for the patrons to be able to jump on those trades really quickly, getting the alert that Rob is posting. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So let's go back and take a look here what we can get out of this. So let's go ahead and count this out and see what we get. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So there you have it, another decent stochastic indicator. Did really well, definitely got us to the take profit, a reasonable number of trades within 1 year, and was really calling trades at really decent times. And so, yeah, not a bad indicator at all. This one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.